moisturizing formula, okay, that can help you to moisturize your skin at the same time. So you can use this as a 2-in-1. After you use this, right, you can skip your moisturizer step. Don't need moisturizer already because the cream is very thick, but at the same time the whole series is non-sticky, non-oily, made in Singapore, perfect for Singapore weather. So when you all apply the product, we all will enjoy the very nice spa smell also, because it's going to smell of magnolia. Okay, it's a magnolia essential oil. Okay, very 0.3%, but you can really smell the smell is really nice, like you are at the spa, you know, and then you're doing treatment for yourself every single day. Okay, so the cream texture looks like this. Okay, so you all can see. Okay, it's very, very thick. Okay, you see? Shake, 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 cannot even drop. Very thick texture. Okay, 1 palm will do as well. And then you can use it to lock in all the moisture, because this one large molecular. So it's going to stay on top to help you to repair your skin barrier and to lock in all the moisture in your skin.